Hello friend, welcome again. This is Alok. Today we'll learn what is comparator and comparable in Java. Comparator and comparable both are interfaces in Java that is used to sort the objects based on certain fields in the class. So to demonstrate this, I have created one student class and I have given three fields: name, roll number, branch, and I have created constructor and I have override the toString method to print this object. I have created a main class and I have created a list and I have added four objects of the student and added to the list. If without sort you run, then you can see that student is printed in the order that we added in the list. Now, if you want to sort this object based on roll number, then you have to use comparable. So for comparable, you have to go here and implements with comparable and of type student you have to define here, and you have to add unimplemented method compare to. This will compare this object to the student object, that is the another object. So it will return this dot roll number minus o dot get roll number. Once it is done, let's go to here, and Java provides collections class with sort method. Here you can sort this list. After sorting, if you print, then it will sort your student class by roll number. If you want to compare or sort the object based on name, then it's not possible with comparable, because in the student class you can only compare based on one field because only one method is allowed. So for that, comparator is used. Let's remove this. I don't need this. Now if you go to the main class, then it will throw error because this list should contain the object, and that should implemented any comparator, or you have to define your custom comparator inside that. So for this custom comparator, you have to create separate class, and that class would implement comparator, and the comparator has default method compare, and it compared two objects. You have to write for integer you have to write this: return -1 if it is less, 1 if it is greater, and return 0 for equal. Once it is done, if you come here and give the object of custom comparator, that is roll number comparator. Now error is gone. Let's run this. See here, this is sorted by roll number. Now if you want to sort by name, then you have to create one more custom comparator class, and you have to implement comparator of type student. Let's add this unimplemented method compare, and for that, for the string comparison, I have to do one dot get name dot compare to o2 dot get name. Come to main class and provide your custom comparator here, name comparator. Now if you run this, you can find it here. Student class is sorted by name. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe.